Good morning, students. Welcome to the last video of solving mathematics syllabus D paper 1 4024 variation 11 May June 2017. It's non-calculator version. In my last two videos I have solved up to question number 18. From today I'm gonna do from question number 19. Okay. 6 square meters of a carpet cost $258. Work out the cost of 10 square meter. So we can do it like this. 6 square meter cost 258 square meter, and then 10 square meter cost whatever, we don't know, put a over here. So a comes over here, so 10 square meter, this is gonna go up there, 258, and below here 6 square meter. So square meter cross out, and yeah, I can cut this one. 3 6 4s are 24, 18 3s are, so that's gonna be $430 for 10 square meter. Okay, now next one is 1 dirham equal to $0.30. Amin changes $90 into dirhams. Calculate the number of dirhams that Amin receives. Okay, 1 dirham is equivalent to 0.30, and he changes $90, and how many dirham he's gonna get. Okay, so that's B equal to 1 dirham times $90 divided by, that's gonna be 0.30. so this dollar cancel out, and for this point I need to take 100 because there are two digits after that. 30 cross out that 3, so 3 times 100 is 300 dirhams. Okay, now Saba is filling a tank with water. It takes 20 minutes to fill the empty tank when the water flows at the rate of 2.4 liters per minute. Okay, and it takes 20 minutes. Calculate the time. Okay, it will take to fill the empty tank if the water flows at 4 liter per minute. Okay, let me see how many liters hold that tank. Okay, now volume is, we're gonna put rate times time. Okay, so it's gonna be, rate is what, 2.4 liters per minute in 1 minute, and it takes 20 minutes. You can see that this unit cancel out, so it left out with the unit of a volume. So that's gonna be, if I take this this point off, I need to multiply by 10 below here, this cross out, so that's gonna be 2 times 24 is 48 liters. Okay, so that tank holds 24 liters. Okay, now it says that calculate the time it will take to fill the empty tank if the water flows at, instead of that, if it flows 4 liter per minute. So think about this formula. So time is going to be volume over rate. Okay, now this volume was 48 liter, right? And this rate now is 4 liter per minute. Okay, so that liter cross out, minute gonna go up, so 4, if you cancel out, that's gonna be 12 minute. Okay, so it will take 12 minutes to fill up that to empty the tank. Okay, all right, now question number 20. It's given distance time graph. The distance time graph shows the journey of a red bus traveling from a village to a town. Find the total length of the of time for which the bus is stopped during the journey. So distance time graph, we know that every horizontal line represents that there is no distance covered over the time. You can see that from this time to this time it didn't cover any distance, so the bus was at a stationary. So I need to add all these times that bus was at a stationary. Now let me find out how many minutes it shows over here. See that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so there are 10 digits, 10 units for 10 minutes. Okay, So each of this vertical line represent 1 minute. Okay, so from here to here, that's 2 minutes. So 2 minutes. See that there are two. This is easier. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4, and here is 1, 2, 3, and the lastly is 2. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 9, 11. So it stops for 11 minutes. Okay. Now find the average speed of the bus over the whole journey from the village to the town. So average speed should be total distance over total time. Okay, and total distance, we know that it's 25 kilometer. So it's 25 kilometer, and then it take, see that from here 11:05 to this one over here is 11:55. So 11:55 to 11:05 took 50 minutes. Okay, so it's kilometer. So 50 minutes can be written as 50 divided by 60 hour, or that's cross out 5 by 6 hour. So that's going to be 5 by 6 hour. So it's going to be 25 times 6 divided by 5 kilometer per hour. 525 cross out 5. So it's 30 kilometer per hour. So average speed was 30 kilometer per hour. All right, now see, a yellow bus leaves the town at 11:25. 11:25 from here, 11:25, and travels non-stop along the same road to the village at a constant speed of 50 kilometer per hour. On the graph, draw the distance time graph for the yellow bus. Now I have to find out the duration of time when it reaches to that town. Okay, so time, see that we know that it's DST for time, distance over speed. So distance is given 25 and speed is 50. So it's half hour or 30 minutes. So if it's from 11:25, 11:25, 11:25 plus 30, that gives me 11:55. Okay, so here is 11:55 right over here. So it's gonna be right there. Okay, so 11:25 to, so what are you gonna do? We're gonna draw a line from 11:25 to 11:55. Okay, so it's gonna be something like that. Okay, now when they intersect, it does look, see, this is a thicker pen, so I think it's somewhere over here, and that's gonna be right over here. When they, at what time does the yellow bus meet the red bus? Okay, this one was the yellow bus. Okay, in the red color, this is yellow bus, and that one was what is this bus? It didn't say what kind of bus. Oh, red bus. Okay, I did it other way, red bus. Okay, they intersect at this time. Okay, 11:52. Okay, so this one is done. Let's do next one. Question number 21. 24 members play basketball. So this is basketball. 28 play cricket. 16 play football. Okay. 9 play basketball and cricket. So basketball and cricket right over here, 9. But it didn't say anything about if they're playing only or not. So this 9 must be something added of this number as well. So let me write down that 9. But remember, I have to subtract from this 9 whatever is over here, right? And then 11 play cricket and football. Cricket and football, 11, same thing. As soon as I know this value, I have to subtract for that. 6 play basket and football. Basket and football. Okay, like that. And then 5 members play all 3 games. Okay, now this 5 I have to subtract from here, subtract from here, subtract from here. Okay, that's 5. Okay, and 8 members play none of the games, so 8 should be here. So instead of that, I have here 1, so I can cross that one out and I put 1. I cross that one out and I put 11 minus 5 is 6, and that's gonna be 4. So 6, 5, 1, 4. Okay, let me read to this over here so it's gonna be clear to you. So that's gonna be 5, 6, 1. Definitely you're gonna use eraser, pencil, so you can erase that later on. And that's gonna be 8. And this is football, this is cricket, and this is basketball. Okay. Now, 24 members play basketball. So basketball is over here. So 9 and 10, that's gonna be 24. So 24 minus 10, this is gonna be 14. Okay, and 28 play cricket. 28 from here, 10, 15, 15 minus 28, that should be 13 right here. And then 16 play football. 16, so over here is 12. So 16 minus 12 is 4. Okay, so that's 4. Okay, so this one complete the Venn diagram. Hence, work out the total numbers of members in the club. So how many members are in the club? So add all of them. So 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1. So this all done. Plus 13 plus 4 plus 14 plus 8. So this is 10. 10 and 6, 16. 16 and 13, 16, 19, 29, 33. 33, and that's gonna be 22. So 5, 55. All together is 55. In another sports club, the number of members playing basketball, cricket, and football are shown in the Venn diagram below. Find the number of people who did not play football. So not that, only this. Now, not this. So this plus this plus this plus that. Okay. So that's supposed to be 20 plus 11 plus 5 plus 4. So 20 plus 11 plus 5, those are playing something, and this one didn't play anything. So 20, 31, 36, 40. So there are 40 people who did not play football. Find number of F union C intersecting. Okay, this is interesting. Not in B prime. Okay, F union C. So most of the students do that, but see that it's union, right? Not in B, not in B, everything over here. Okay, but with that, you need to include that as well, since this is union. So everything else but this 5. Okay, so but this 5. So what we have here? So I have 20 plus 3 plus 16 plus 11 plus 12 plus 2 plus 4. Okay, B prime, no, sorry, it's B prime. Okay, complement of B, so not that. So in F union C, everything here except not B prime. So 20 plus 3 plus 16, sorry about that. So it's gonna be 20, 36, 39. So the answer should be 39. Okay, and then over here 22, the diagram shows a line segment AB joining A23, B54. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of A. That's pretty easy. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 divided by 2, 3 plus 4 divided by 2. So you can write down 3.5, 3.5. Now next one is AB maps onto CD by a translation minus 3, 1. Find the coordinates of C. So it's minus 3, 1, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 1. So that's that. So AB maps to C. C is this one over here. Then minus 1, 4. So this coordinate is going to be minus 1, 4. Now AB maps onto FG. AB is mapped onto FG by a rotation 90 degree clockwise with center 1 4. So where is 1 4? 1 4 is right over here and 90-degree clockwise. So 90-degree clockwise, if I go like that, so A is left one side, minus 1 1. So minus 1 1, that's for A, and B is gonna be not right, not left, straight down 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4, so it's like that. So F G, and they are asking for coordinates of G, that's 1 0. All right, now find the equation of AB. So AB, equation of AB, we know that y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 equal to x minus x1 by x1 minus x2. So y minus, that's gonna be 3 divided by 3 minus 4 to x minus 2 2 minus 5. So I'm gonna have y minus 3 by minus 1, x minus 2 minus 3. So what do I have here? Minus minus cross out. So y equal to 1 by 3x minus 2 by 3 plus 3. Okay, so that's gonna be, if I take this bracket off, it's gonna be 1 by 3x. So 3 minus 2 by 3, that's 9 minus 2, 7 by plus 7 by 3. You can keep it as it is, y equal to 1 by 3x plus 7 by 3, or you can take 3 common. So 3y equal to x plus 7. So it doesn't matter. I'll put it this way, x plus 7. So this one is done. Now next question 23. OPRQ is a parallelogram. OPRQ is a parallelogram, and S is a point on PR such that PS SR. So this is 1 and this is 3. The ratio is given. So this is P, OP is P, this direction, this one, this direction. Express PQ, PQ. Now PQ can be written as PO plus OQ. Now PO is minus Q plus minus P plus Q. Okay, so that's going to be minus P plus Q. Okay, that's PQ. Express QS. QS as simple as possible in terms of P and Q. Now QS gonna be I can just go from here. QP plus PS. Now QP is nothing but minus PQ. QP minus PQ. And PS is going to be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 PR. Now if this is Q, this PR is going to be Q. So that's going to be minus, and this is going to be minus P plus Q, and that's going to be 1 by 4 Q. Okay, so what I got here, if I take the bracket of P minus Q plus 1 by 4 Q, so that's going to be P minus 4, so it's going to be minus 3 by 4 Q. So that's P minus 3 by 4 Q. That's for that. T is a point on QS extended, QX extended QS such that QT equal to 4 by 3. So if it's extended, somewhat it extended like that. So T is somewhere over here. That's T. Okay. And it says that QT equal to 4 by 3 QS. Now express PT as simple as possible, right? Now PT. So it says PT. So PT can be written as PS plus ST. ST. Okay. Now what is ST? Now look at this one, QT. this qt over qs, so I can write down qt is to qs equal to 4 is to 3. Qt is 4, qs is 3, so this is 1, this is 3. Okay, so that's gonna be 1 by 4 qt. Okay, 1 by 4 qt, and I have qt. Okay, so ps, keep this one as it is, ps. Now st is gonna be the way I have done, 1 by 4 qt. Okay, and qt is 4 by 3 qs. I think you can see that. Let me write down here, ps equal to plus 1 by 4. Instead of qt, I'm gonna write down 4 by 3 qs. Now this 4 cross out, so it's gonna be ps plus 1 by 3 qs, 1 by 3 qs. Now ps is gonna be 1 by 4 q, 1 by 4 q plus 1 by 3. What is qs? We already have qs. That's gonna be p minus 3 by 4 q. Okay, now I think I'm running out of the space. So that's gonna be, if I take the bracket of 1 by 4 q, okay, then plus 1 by 3 p, plus minus minus, this 3 cancel out, so 1 by 4 q. So 1 by 4q, 1 by minus 1 by 4q cross out. So I'm going to have 1 by 3p. So that's pt equal to 1 by 3p. What can you conclude about the point OPT? OPT, this is p and pt is 1 by 3. So if I have a equal to kbt, then we can write down a is parallel to b. So I can say that this parallel to this, but since, okay, let me write down OP is parallel to PT, I can write down that, but see that P is common, so this I can conclude that OP and T are collinear. Collinear means they are on the same straight line. Okay, they are parallel, but see, they are parallel like that, parallel. O, P, P, T, but in the same math, P cannot be in two different places. So this and this P should be here. So it's gonna be one line. Okay, O, P, P, T. So that should be, these three should be in same line and they are collinear. So this one is done. Now next one, 24, solve this. So cross multiply is the easiest way. 6x minus 6 3 is 18 equal to 5x plus 5. So bringing this over here, taking that over there. So x equal to 23. So x equal to 23. That one was pretty straightforward. Now b, function of x equal to x minus 3, g of x equal to x squared plus 1. Find function of minus 5. So function of minus 5 is going to be, x is going to be replaced by minus 5. So minus 5 minus 3 equal to minus 8. So that's going to be minus 8. And then it says find m given that g m minus 3 equal to 17. So g is going to be, instead of that, I can write down m minus 3 square equal to 17. So oh, plus 1, there is a plus 1. See that for x I can put that, then I have plus 1. So if I take the bracket off, it's going to be m square minus 3 to the 6m plus 3 square is 9 plus 1 minus 17 equal to 0. So m square minus 6m, this is 10, so that's going to be minus 7 equal to 0. And then well, I could have done it, now I can see that I could do it in really easier way. Minus 7m plus m minus 7 equal to 0. I'm going to take m common, m minus 7 plus 1 common, n minus 7 equal to 0. So m minus 7, m plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore m equal to minus 1 and 7. So minus 1 and 7. The easier way, I could have done it right over here. Okay, check that. This is alternative way. Alternative way. Okay, see that m minus 3 square, if I take 1 to that side, it's going to be 17 minus 1 is 16. Okay, and 16 can be written as 4 square. So m minus 3 square equal to 4 square, and that can be m minus 3 equal to plus minus 4. So m minus 3 equal to 4, m minus 3 equal to minus 4. So that's going to be that 7, and that's going to be m equal to minus 1. I could have even done this way. Okay, I hope you understand that. So that was it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.